Cindy Rai, Naya Honda, Kukuya, supporters of Nnamdi Kanu. They come here to give them all their support. And the try to walk in I see now, and when you're black and Mina, so I never I get and I got happy. See, I never to walk in Gambia. On your body of Boca, you make a happy. On your you walk lots of have gone, no, you married. You walk lots of have gone, on you say I got and I get what a Biafra. I get what a Biafra. Now to walk in Gambia. You say.
I'm the son of the Biafra. Speak louder, please. So we are here in the respect of Nnamdi Kanu. But we have never seen where someone will be asking for his freedom. It becomes a crime. Whenever a man has a wife in his house and you are treating your wife in a very bad way, he has another girl bringing it to your home and you do not regard your wife anymore. If the wife decided to leave with his kids to his house, I don't think it's a crime. So now, Nnamdi Kanu has let us to know and let people to know that the maltreating that they are giving to us is enough. And we needed what? The freedom. I don't see a reason why. They say we should not go or say he will not go. It's not a crime for him to stand. Many has gone for this and he will never go for this. He will stand and witness what others have started. And the way he has been declaring no movement in first in history in Imo State, and everybody obey him. The whole of Biafra, what has Abuja has ever done? Towards COVID-19, I said no movement. People have patronized everywhere. But Nnamdi Kanu declare for us no movement, for peace, and we obey him. The whole federation. Who are they for us not to go? We needed freedom. And here we are. What we need? Freedom. I'm the son of Biafra. My name is Peter Bassi.
Now don't hear them. Now the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu did this. They come Federal High Court, Abuja. Plenty groups they will come give them their support. But now this one they see now at the moment. Because for this place, if you carry camera anyhow, your camera will see anyhow. So where can they see this one where they bring on us so?
We are rejoicing and move down on that in our the whole federation have go out for Nnamdi Kanu Makanya. So they had a lot of force. When you actually last one, I know here by this time. So I try number. Sorry, if I'm one who will and we can't get about Nnamdi Kanu. So I was there, not poor boy. When the police does I have whoever. Can I buy your position? So I got no set on this passage. What all this passage?
Police don't come push them. They push them. Security don't come pursue them. I saw it happen for you. Now outside of the Federal High Court be this. Now outside of the Federal High Court be this. Serious security people there, but these supporters of Nnamdi Kanu, they come this side, they don't come pursue them too. Make I go here waiting the policeman, they talk.
You don't want to go? I want to know where we are going. What a beautiful.
See they happen. Police they pursue the man. Police they pursue the man.
Don't let them, please. Don't let them. Stop making me fight anybody. I don't want to fight everybody here. Sir, I respect you. I respect you. You don't come to any problem. Just stay. You want us to go. Just stay. We will not go anywhere. We are waiting.
Bro, Sabe, guys, see this matter where police they pursue now.
If police want us to go, let them release Nnamdi Kanu. We are here for Nnamdi Kanu. We are not here for the police. It's our right to come and see what is happening in the Federal High Court. If they don't want us to be here, let them ask us to leave and release Nnamdi Kanu with us. We are going with him. We are not here to our leader. You hold my father and you asking us to leave. We are not come and arrest us and persecute all of us. We are here for Nnamdi Kanu and we must stay here until everything is over. We are not going anywhere. Let's just be here and say, this is your kind of group, so take it away, guys.
IOB Worldwide Limited in the UK. You can check with the UK Companies House with company number 13127887. A private business. No.
You can't stop you from taking it to the court.
He is running from the regulators in the UK. That is the information you don't know.
My brother.
He is running from regulators in the UK.
My brother.
Yeah.
The UK regulates its companies. You can also report that to the UK government. There's a company house in the UK.
We've reported it and he ran away. He absconded. That's why I'm calling him Mr.
No. The UK did not say you ran away from the UK.
I'm telling you, he is running.
There's nothing in the record.
Oh, my brother. Ask you, journalists, do your job. Journalists, do your job. Go to your own investigation.
What I'm saying is that there's no point putting anybody on the spot on Facebook. Let them bring the evidence to court.
As a private business.
As simple as that.
Can I give it to you? Let me give it to you.
And he has been able to get people following him in his private business.
He's a thief. He has been able to get people. Are you an Igbo man? Then leave this guy.
That's why he's That's why he's.
And do you know what they told them? No, you don't want to.
I don't give a damn.
Come on, go see
But that's true. The lawyers should allow access to court. And people are giving money. But it do not touch me. I'm 18 years as a lawyer. It's good matters. It matters. I'm surprised. If they're already if they need this, so
yes. Yeah. Video.
What do you like?
Why are you cutting into my shots?
Kहाँ